This is David Bruce Leonard from the Earth Medicine Institute here with SARABETH Rings, and we are at LAULIMA Farm in Pahulu on Maui. We just woke up, we've had our morning beverages, and we're out looking for wild edibles, things that are wild or semi-wild like this, that are growing in the garden that we can eat, including the weeds.
Yum.
Yum. And this is a permaculture farm, organic?
Yep. And we're just always looking for the best way to kind of get all the plants to be working together so we can work less. And Our main crops are coffee and papayas, bananas, avocados, citrus. And we're trying to interplant all of these things as well as a lot of Hawaiian plants like ava as an understory. So they all work together and it's really, really easy to manage.
And Beth's partner Josh has been working on this farm for 20 years? 30 years? 21 years, and he's a master at figuring out how to make things work so that we work with nature and rather than against nature. So we're going to go out and gather wild weeds and wild foods.
So what are you looking for?
I'm hoping to find there's some honohono grass, which is Commelina. It's an invasive plant that's highly nutritious, and then I'm not sure. Perhaps we'll find some Bidens, and I don't know. We'll see what else we come across. These perennial peanut flowers are edible, and I'm sure there's other stuff here.
Right. There is some gotu-kola, that little patches. We can see if we want to make a pesto or something.
Yeah. We'll see.
The nicest, easy, big patch is down below. Good morning, Karen.
Good morning.
Yeah?
Sure.
This is one of our wild edibles and also medicinals. It's called gotu-kola or pahulu. We can make a pesto out of this, or we can use it for medicine also.
Oh look, and here's some purslane, we can eat that, and here's some of the Sita brambifolia, we can eat that.
Yeah, the Sita has up to, I think, 13% protein or 18% protein, something like that. And the purslane is really rich in anti-inflammatory fatty acids, so it's very good for the body.
Oh, and look, oxalis too.
And there's more sorrel. Yeah, more oxalis. We definitely have enough. Stacy and Alan have gotten more of the Commelina, and we've got the Commelina for soup base, and we'll use some sweet potato leaves, and we'll have some Biden's leaves and Cedar rumbifolia leaves, some mu leaves, and then we've got things for salads. We've got some of these nasturtium flowers, the perennial peanut flowers, and we're going to have a really nutritious and just an excellent meal.
Okay, very good. I hope you like that.
Perfect. Keep that aside. And you know what? If you want these,
I got a basket full. So this is the honohono Commelina. Is Commelina what? I can't remember the full scientific name. I just call it honohono, but it's actually for gardeners. This is like a weed that they hate, but for us it's a great food. And the parts for salad, or even for cooking as greens, is just the very tip that we're going to take. And this part of the stem that pulls out is like super tender.
we've cleaned the honohono, and now we're going to blend it with some water, and then strain it and use that as a soup base. good?
No, the salad.
Oh yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
To make it.
Almost, but you want it parallel to what?
We just harvested the most beautiful array of wild greens for our wild food salad that we're going to make today.
What is it?
There's at least 10 to 12 varieties of wild flowers and leaves. We have oxalis, gotucola, red amaranth, Youngia, which is in the dandelion family. We have 2 different kinds of edible begonia flowers and some Commelina tips, which is right here, gotucola. And we also picked, you can't see them, they're really small, some little fern tips, kupu fern, and we have the perennial peanut willow flowers. And this probably took 2 of us about 15 minutes each, so pretty fast and yummy. So the more plants we include in our diet, the better our health will be overall, because we have a variety of bitter greens, sweet flowers, and nutritive plants that will nourish our whole body.
It's oxalis.
Oh, it's oxalis roots. Oh, cool.
Flowers that are spicy peppery nasturtiums, not
Nasturtiums.
Nasturtiums. Nasturtiums. I was trying to say nasturtiums. That if you get the little seed pods from them, that they make very good caper substitutes.
Exactly. Yeah, you can pickle them.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
I just told her I've just been getting into pickling.
Kyra, what are you doing?
Oh, I am washing oxalis bulbs to add to the soup as well.
Oh, that's for the soup?
Just going in the soup.
We are adding water to the honohono grass, and we're going to blend it and strain it, and then use it as the base for our soup. And we're going to add our sweet potato leaves and other ingredients after we've made the soup base.
I got this big pot over here. Do you want to just put it directly in the pot?
Yeah, let's do that.
There we go.
Add water to these.
There we go.
And we can blend up some sweet potato leaves. Yes.
Well, I just pulled it out. I was like, what is that?
Plenty. One of the great things about doing this is we get to not only get really nutritious food from the things that are weeds around us, but also we build community, we build friendships, and we build a relationship with those around us, but also with the plants around us. These plants are our friends. They feed us, they nourish us, they give us oxygen. So this process is a really bonding experience, and I'm really grateful to be able to share this with my friends.